Hi everyone. This is my first video back since my motorcycle accident, so it will probably be a little short and I may not be able to get in as close as usual, but I just wanted you guys to kind of see where we're at progress-wise with the Cushman estate sale. There was a drop. We haven't had quite a few listings up for about a week because of my motorcycle accident, but now I'm getting back to work. And there's still about this cabinet's full and then like 2 more cabinets to go through. And then we're done with organizing everything. We have a bunch of check glass up now and the lamp work is going up this weekend too. So I want to get started on the stones at some point. And this selection from the one cabinet is a lot of mostly bones, and there's some stones and pearls, but boy, are they beautiful. So I'm just going to zoom in as best as I can without breaking my pelvis on the other side and filming as best as I can with a broken wrist. But hey, you know, we get it done. So there's some fun, colorful wooden beads. Now this drawer over here had a lot of really cool different types of wooden beads. I really liked to see some of these designs. I'm not sure that that's wood. I actually think that might be bone. And then this drawer had lots of really cool, I saw some big pieces of citrine and other types of gemstones, some amber, definitely some really, really cool stuff. All right, I'm gonna hobble over to the other drawers. I'm slow. Okay, so we've got, let's see, what do we have here? This one looks like it's got some nice dark colored stones. I see like, oh, Labradorite. I can see that gorgeous shine coming off of the Labradorite there. Oh, okay. I shouldn't squat over that much. Sorry, guys. And yeah, there's lots of really cool stuff. It looks like iolite and carnelian. What I really thought was cool. Okay, I need my walker. Hang on. I should have done this on a table instead of, okay. Whew. Yeah, I feel like I'm 80 years old, guys. This drawer actually was really cool because it was full of just beautiful natural pearls. What you're seeing in there right now is mostly shell and mother of pearl and some other nice mother of pearl beads there. I pulled the pearls out ahead of time so you could really kind of see. They're just really high quality, beautiful color, symmetry, size. There was another drawer, little container in there. So I pulled all of those out of that one. And then there's just 2 more drawers to look at. Let's shuffle our booty over there. All right, and then this drawer definitely has some real amber in there, copal, lots more bone. Some of them are marked ivory, so I do have to be careful because there are rules about selling ivory. And some looks like really old silver pieces. Lots of kind of Tibetan style bone that has the inlaid stone. And then this last drawer looks like mostly faux pearls. I was getting the feeling that they're mostly glass. There might be a little bit of like acrylic in there too. But yeah, so that is one of the last things I've got to go through. I'm gonna have this stuff moved, and then tomorrow I will probably go through another one of the white cabinets, one of those. And so yeah, we should be just about done with all the organizing. And now the fun work of just putting up tons and tons of auctions happens. So again, my plan is we're doing check glass right now, putting up lamp work this weekend. So if there's anything specific you want to see, if you want to see some of the really nice, like already pre-made jewelry that we have over there, great, let me know. Or this bins, we just have bins and bins and bins of just really beautiful gemstones. So if that's something you want to see, let me know. There's lots. Actually, back in the cabinets, there's probably 3 cabinets that I don't think I'll a video going through, but they're mostly metal. Some has copper and sterling silver in it, but some is just, regular metal findings. But either way, there'll be lots of metal stuff coming. So whatever your poison is, let me know, and that's what I will focus on. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys next time.